This is a set of 5 storks complete with nest, and a compact sound system to create the authentic sound of a stork's bill clattering, by Fowler in HO gauge. The system requires either a 12 volts DC, or 16 volts AC auxiliary power supply to operate. In the box, you will find the models and sound system ready for installation. The storks and nest come professionally hand-painted ready for use. They are independent to the sound system, so can be placed on a diorama or layout in a place of your choosing. The sound system consists of a soundboard and speaker that can be hidden under the baseboard, or in a suitable model building. There is no switch included in the pack, as each modeler will prefer a different type, but the system can be operated by any switch, from a simple on-off switch, to an automated setup involving reed switches and relays. Once power is supplied to the circuit, the sound effect will last for several seconds before a re-trigger is required. Full instructions are also included to help with installation. The family of storks, set with clattering sound effect, by Fowler. The soundboard measures 45 by 25 mm, and the speaker measures 35 by 20 mm. Both have a depth of 10 mm.